The oral presentation English Level 2. Introduce myself. Talk about my trip experience in Toulouse. The weather in Toulouse. Recommendation if go to Toulouse. My name is Laura Ortega. I am 25 years old. I live in the Palmyra city. I study business administration. I live with my husband and my mom. I like to the movies and my favorite food is pizza. My holidays, Toulouse-Sucre. My vacation went to Santiago de Toulouse. My brother who drives a truck took my aunt and my mother too. Toulouse we only went one day, but it was one of the best days. Even though the days was cloudy, you enjoy the beach. Seafood and above right, the important thing was to share time with my brother and my mother. I enjoyed the landscape caves that our country has. The climate and recommendation. The weather in Santiago de Toulouse Sucre is a tropical climate hot and inclement sun and light breeze. My recommend my recommendation is to wear sunscreens that protection out from the sunrise, dark lights, dress and short high and comfortable, clothes comfortable. Choose appropriate to go to the bridge. Remember to have a hand bag for your belongings. Things you should not do. I should you enjoy this cocktail. If you like sport, you can practice sporting while through the city at 4 in the afternoon to pass to Sonnet. This use should that do I like you important pairs and the hotel, like to respect for orders, like trash on the beach. The family is the very important for me. Goodbye.